Bitcoin has been around since 2009, and it's had a wild ride. Some think that its price will continue to rise, while others believe that its bubble is about to burst. In today's video, we will go over Bitcoin price predictions for 2022 to 2025 and give you our thoughts on the matter. Don't forget that this is only an estimate, meaning things could change drastically over the next few years. With that being said, let's take a closer look at Bitcoin's future. We are going to do the price prediction of Bitcoin, the king of crypto. Without further ado, let's begin. The predictions from website Crypto News Z and Coin Price Forecast show that Bitcoin, BTC, is expected to reach the price of $126,127 by the end of 2025. However, if you want to know more about the pricing trends each year brings, let's dive into some predictions. Bitcoin started 2022 at $46,657.53. Given that important trading factors remain steady, the price prediction indicates that many expect Bitcoin to reach $50,000 by the end of the year. Furthermore, a recent technological update, Taproot, will pave the way for massive improvements in terms of fee reduction, privacy, smart contracts, and the Lightning Network. With that in mind, Bitcoin's price could easily rise above $100,000 in the near future. If everything goes the way we predict, BTC will start 2023 with a price of $50,000. The predictions also show that the cost of the coin will reach almost $65,000 by the end of the year's second quarter. Furthermore, it is expected that BTC will finish in 2023 with a price of $79,538. The increase of almost 93% in the value compared to 2022 shows that if the growing trend continues, BTC will actually be able to reach the predicted price of $126,127 by the end of 2025. If the BTC has a successful 2023, it should start 2024 at $79,538 and only continue to grow from there. It is expected that the mid-year value of BTC will reach $87,354, so a single coin should be worth over $100,000 by the end of 2024. This would be a huge growth compared to the value of BTC in 2022. According to predictions, it is quite likely that BTC will double its price. However, it is also possible that it will not reach the $126,000 markup. This is simply due to the fact that no formal regulatory body or regime supports it. After an initial $100 investment, some people could have made hundreds of dollars in Bitcoin, but when the chart started to look like a market bubble, many others undoubtedly took their money and ran. However, if everything goes according to forecasts, the value of BTC will be more than $126,000 by the end of 2025. This is almost 206% more than at the beginning of 2022. Since we broke down Bitcoin's forecast for the upcoming years, it is time to put all the information on the table so that you can quickly see the expected annual price growth of BTC. After the global financial meltdown of 2008, the BTC blockchain was conceived as a new type of currency with a mechanism that can sidestep existing banking systems. Since then, both it and other cryptocurrencies have become a very popular means of exchanging value. Although the platform initially mostly attracted traders who preferred to wager a volatile asset, it has evolved to become a new type of investment, serving as a keeper of value and a protector against inflation. Several years ago, retail investors and traders gambled on an increasing price without basing them on reason or facts, which caused previous price oscillations. However, that has changed. As the crypto markets mature, regulatory authorities develop rules specifically for investors. That being said, even though BTC price still fluctuates, many are now considering it the future of the mainstream economy. BTC first became available in 2009, and it was literally worthless at the start. Its price increased to 9 cents in 2010 and $1 by February 2011. After which it surged again to $29.60. The crypto market took a nosedive after that, with BTC's price falling to just $2.05 by mid-November 2011. 2016 saw a gradual increase, with prices eventually reaching over $900 before the year's end. They skyrocketed by the end of December of 2017, reaching $19,345.49. The coin once again gained friction during the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, reaching $29,000 by the end of 2020. If you want to invest in crypto, you are probably wondering which coins are the best and most profitable. The answer to this question depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Bitcoin is the most well-known and established cryptocurrency, so it may be a good choice for those looking to invest in a more stable option. Bitcoin, BTC, price declined below $30,000 level amid the current crypto market crash. Bitcoin price decline is a part of the overall crypto market fall story in the last few days. However, experts have pointed out one indicator according which BTC price may bounce back from the current level. They say that the number of persons holding at least one BTC has reached an all-time high, indicating BTC may bounce back from the current level even as the overall extreme fear sentiment in crypto markets persists. Bitcoin continued to consolidate around the $30,000 level. The market sentiment, however, has dropped to 8 on the Fear and Greed Index, falling to one of the lowest points. Meanwhile, the addresses holding one or more BTC has reached an all-time high, an indication that the market may bounce back from this level. The weekly chart for BTC has broken below the long-formed ascending channel pattern. The next resistance for BTC is expected at $40,000 and an immediate support is expected at $24,000, it added. Darshan Bathija, co-founder and CEO of Valve, said, "There were a few signs of optimism in the BTC markets." According to the data from Into the Block's in-out of the money around the price IOMAP model, levels at $29,500 near where a strong support range as approximately 366.430 BTC were being held by roughly 481.910 addresses. Attempts to push the price below these levels could be met by buying from these investors who may want to increase their profits. Additionally, on-chain data shows that the number of addresses holding between 1 to 10 BTC has increased from 689,000 to 694,000 since May 9, indicating confidence in the cryptocurrency's recovery, he added. Adul Patel, CEO and co-founder, Modrix, feels it may take a little time for investors to return to the market after witnessing a massive crash last week. Even though Bitcoin stabilized a bit over the weekend, it again fell back to US $29,000 on Monday. The reversal of the downward trend could only be possible if Bitcoin continues to trade above its support between US $27,000 and US $30,000 levels, said Patel. He further said that as BTC does not appear to be oversold, this can keep the short-term buyers active in the market. Due to rising inflation levels and supply chain issues, cryptocurrencies and other equity markets have also been down on Monday. It seems like it may take a little time for investors to return to the market after witnessing a massive crash last week. The coming 2 weeks will be critical for the entire crypto spectrum, said Patel. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.